Ladies and gentlemen, welcome into one of our 250 flats in the center of Paris. Please welcome. As you can see, the flat is a one-bedroom composed by a living room which has been renovated recently, as you can see from the painting. It's composed by a sofa bed convertible for 2 persons, a table with chairs, television with internet, Wi-Fi, all included. If you follow me, I will introduce you to the kitchen, full equipped. As you can probably see, you have a fridge, oven, microwave, here washing machine, and everything you need to cook and eat. As I often see, our flats, they are totally full equipped, which means that once you come in Paris, you just need your presence to enjoy starting your dreaming life in Paris.
As you can see, when you open the door, you arrive on our bedroom. The bedroom is composed by a bed that can welcome 2 persons. Moreover, you have 2 wardrobes, one here and one there. As you can see, in the wardrobe, you can put all the clothes you need. Moreover, in the bedroom, you have 4 chairs if you need to welcome your friends here and to go to the living room. To finish, you have a big light and another one here.
In the corner of the entrance, you have the toilet, fully equipped, a sink, toilet, and a big shower. Bathroom has been recently renovated, as you can see from the details, and he offers you a double window which allows light to come into the flat.
Last but not least, you will have the possibility to enjoy an amazing Parisian view. As you can see, you have the top of buildings from La Place des Vosges, which is a very famous place in Paris. Also, you can see the Parisian roofs, with some plants which is very rare for Paris. To finish, on your left, you have Jardin de Sully, which is a garden from a very famous hotel, Hotel de Sully. Here we are 100 meters away from Saint-Paul in Le Marais district. Also, on your left, you are 100 meters away from Bastille, which is very central in Paris.